Hello everyone, welcome back with me. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Washington Reuters, a leading U.S. conservative group, is pressuring Republicans in the U.S. House of Representatives to sound left-leaning corporations that take stands of social issues such as abortion, election reform, and LGBTQ rights in exchange for its endorsement for party leadership position as House Republicans began rolling out their campaign agenda for the November 8th midterm election. The Conservative Political Action Conference, or CPAC, called on the lawmaker to pledge not to meet with executives and lobbyists from companies that have been hostile to policies that help all Americans. This is the Republican Party's moment to declare independence from corporate special interest money that flows from left-leaning publicly traded company. CPAC Chairman Matt Club said in a September 22 letter sent to more than 200 House Republican lawmakers. The letter, based on the expectation that Republicans would regain control of the House in November, represents the last passed by the political right to reset the Republican Party's on close relationship with corporate America since Donald Trump's presidency. Recent months have seen politicians, including Florida Governor Ron DeSantis, a potential 2024 White House candidate, trip Walt Disney so of its self-governing status after it opposed a new state law limiting discussion of LGBTQ issues in schools. Republicans also expressed anger after companies including Citigroup, Levi Strauss & Co. and Amazon.com Inc. said they would pay for employees who live in states where abortion has been banned to travel out of state to obtain the producer. The CEOs of banks, including Citigroup, JP Morgan Chase and CO, and Wells Fargo, took a grilling in Congress on Thursday over their companies having taken status on social issues. I can't help but observe that when banks do weigh in on heavily charged social and political issues, they seem to always come down on the liberal side, said Republican Senator Pat Toomey during Thursday's hearing. CPAC represents a movement, a Trump-led conservative that has steadily, but it was unclear how much sway CPAC will in internal House Republican politics. Growing campaign Republicans in Congress and across conservative-led states have rallied against companies for taking what they see as regular taken on environmental, social, and governance issues. Skip-plus state companies have colluded with Democratic President Joe Biden's administration to silence conservative promote this about voter ID laws, which held support from conservatives. How fair election, paid travel, called for employee abortion, and promote radical gender theory that come as Republican leader Kevin McCarthy and members of his caucus sought to unify their party focus on their commitment to America agenda, which is intended to offer future solutions to social and economic ills ranging from inflation and high energy prices to crime rates and border security, with Republicans blamed on Democrats. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.